Welcome back. Reading the title of this return is like reading a movie title back in the 70s. It almost tells you the entire detail of this return. Almost. Even with the title that specifically mentions for individuals earning purely compensation income. A lot, or most of the people are still confused who should fill out and file this return. To keep it simple, if you have worked with 2 or more employers during a taxable year, then you have to file for this return. To understand why filing this return is necessary is to understand that there are 2 types of employees. An employee who is eligible for substituted filing and another that is not. What are the differences between these 2? Usually, an employee doesn't really file for their income taxes on compensation. Their employer takes care of that. The employer will tell you, the employee, that they would file these for you and become a substitute tax filer. So, if you only work with one company and no one from HR told you to file this return, then you are all set. Wait for the 2316 of compensation given to all employees every year as a proof that your employer filed your taxes for you. The second group of people on the right side are deemed not qualified for substituted filing. In other words, they have to file their taxes on compensation income on their own. They are those employees who have 2 or more employers in a taxable year, either at the same time or one after the other. There are also some specialized industries and other individuals that will opt to file voluntarily, maybe for bank loan purposes, that would automatically make them ineligible for substitute filing. Remember to always check with your employer if you are qualified for substituted filing or not. They will determine if they will file for you or you have to file it for yourself. With that information in mind, we can assume that the BIR Form 1700 filers would have at least 2 BIR certificates 2316, which they will add up, deduct the 250K tax-exempt income brought us by the chain law, and complete the 1700 BIR form. Watch the next video to see how easy it is to file and pay this return in Fast File.